planning a getaway to Mexico's stunning Riviera Maya. Let's dive deep into what makes Barcelo Maya Caribe one of the most talked about all-inclusive resorts in the region. This sprawling beachfront property has been welcoming families and couples since 1999, and after major renovations completed between 2022 and 2024, it's looking better than ever. Situated along the pristine coastline between Cancun and Playa del Carmen, this four-star resort is part of the massive Barcelo Maya Grand Resort complex, which means guests get access to not just one, but 4 different hotels worth of amenities. With over 12,000 reviews on Booking.com averaging 8.6 out of 10, and 15,000 TripAdvisor reviews giving it a solid 4 out of 5 stars, there's clearly something special happening here. The resort sits on 2 kilometers of white sand Caribbean beach, surrounded by lush tropical gardens and Mayan-inspired architecture that immediately transports you to paradise mode. Whether you're a family looking for endless entertainment, a couple seeking romantic beachfront sunsets, or a group of friends ready to explore everything the Mayan Riviera offers, Barcelo Maya Caribe positions itself as the ultimate all-inclusive destination. The property has earned TripAdvisor's Traveler's Choice Award for 3 consecutive years from 2023 to 2025, and Booking.com recognized it with their Guest Review Award in 2024. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break down every aspect of this resort to help you decide if it's the right fit for your next vacation. When it comes to accommodations, Barcelo Maya Caribe offers a solid variety of room types designed to suit different travel styles and group sizes. The entry-level superior rooms clock in at a comfortable 40 square meters, which is about 430 square feet of space. These rooms come with either a king bed or 2 double beds, making them perfect for couples or small families. You'll find a sitting area where you can relax after a day at the beach, plus a marble bathroom with a shower. Every room includes air conditioning, which you'll definitely appreciate in the Mexican heat, satellite television for those rare moments when you want to catch up on shows, and a minibar that gets restocked daily with water, soft drinks, and beer. There's also a coffee maker for early risers, a safe for your valuables, and a private balcony or terrace where you can enjoy views of either the gardens or pool areas. The pillow menu is a nice touch that shows attention to guest comfort. For families who need connecting rooms, that option is available too. Moving up the accommodation ladder, the junior suites offer 53 square meters of space with a separate living area that gives you more room to spread out. These feature a king bed, a whirlpool tub in the bathroom for those relaxing evening soaks, and a sofa bed that can accommodate extra guests. You'll get bathrobes here, which adds a touch of luxury to your stay, and the minibar is stocked with premium options. Views from junior suites showcase either the ocean or gardens, and that hydromassage tub becomes a favorite feature for many guests after long days of activities. The family suites are where things get really spacious at 70 square meters. These units include 2 separate bedrooms, a living room, and 2 full bathrooms, making them ideal for larger families or groups traveling together. The layout includes bunk beds for kids, and in 2024 the resort added a family entertainment pack with a kids' toy kit and even an Xbox available upon request. These suites can accommodate up to 6 people comfortably, with views overlooking either the pool areas or ocean. Finally, for those seeking something extra special, the swim-up suites deliver exactly what the name promises. At 53 square meters, these rooms feature direct pool access from your private terrace, meaning you can literally step out of your room and into the water. There's an outdoor shower on the terrace, and the location in an adults preferred section makes these particularly popular with couples. All rooms across every category feature modern tropical decor with turquoise accent colors that mirror the Caribbean waters outside, comfortable furniture that was updated during the recent renovations, and free Wi-Fi throughout. The marble bathrooms feel upscale, and the daily housekeeping ensures your space stays fresh, though some guests during peak seasons have noted that service can sometimes be slower when the resort is at full capacity. The rooms successfully blend comfort with tropical style, and the 2022 to 2023 upgrades brought in new bedding, improved air conditioning units, and refreshed furniture that guests consistently praise in recent reviews. Food is a huge part of any all-inclusive experience, and Barcelo Maya Caribe delivers with over 12 dining venues when you count the options available across the entire resort complex. The beauty of staying here is that your wristband grants you access to restaurants at all 4 hotels in the Barcelo Maya Grand Resort, exponentially expanding your culinary choices. The main hub is Caribe Restaurant, a massive buffet operation that can seat over 500 people and serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner from 7 in the morning until 11 at night. This international buffet showcases a rotating menu that includes Mexican favorites, Italian classics, Asian dishes, and American comfort food. The seafood paella is a standout dish that guests rave about, and the grilled meat station always draws a crowd. Fresh salad bars offer healthy options, and themed nights throughout the week add variety. You might encounter Mexican night with authentic regional dishes, Italian night with pasta stations, or seafood night featuring fresh catches. The casual dress code and no reservation policy make it convenient, though expect lines during peak meal times, especially during winter high season. For a more refined experience, La Hacienda serves as the resort steakhouse with an a la carte menu that requires reservations. Open for dinner from 6 to 11, this venue seats about 150 guests and enforces a smart casual dress code, so leave the beach shorts in your room. The menu highlights premium cuts like ribeye steaks, succulent lobster, and agave glazed pork that showcases local flavors. Steak nights here are particularly popular, and many guests recommend making your reservation early in your stay since spots fill up quickly. Capri brings authentic Italian cuisine to the table with wood-fired pizzas, fresh pasta made to order at a live station, and desserts like tiramisu that taste like they came straight from Rome. This a la carte restaurant also requires reservations and operates during dinner hours with a smart casual dress code. The capacity of about 120 means it maintains an intimate atmosphere, and guests are typically limited to one visit per stay, so make it count. The beach house offers a more laid-back vibe right on the sand, serving lunch and dinner from 11 in the morning to 5 in the evening. This beach grill specializes in Mexican and seafood dishes with fresh ceviche, tacos packed with flavor, and classic burgers for those craving something familiar. The casual dress code means you can come straight from the beach, and the sunset barbecues they host are absolutely worth timing your meal around. Watching the sun dip into the Caribbean while enjoying grilled specialties creates those vacation memories you'll talk about for years. Beyond the main restaurants, multiple bars scattered throughout the property keep the drinks flowing from 10 in the morning until 1 in the morning. The lobby bar serves as a central meeting point, while the beach bar lets you sip cocktails with your toes in the sand. The swim-up bar in the main pool is always busy, with bartenders mixing frozen drinks, Mayan mules with local spirits, and international cocktails. The all-inclusive package covers premium spirits, not just the cheap stuff which guests consistently appreciate. Beer, wine, soft drinks, and even some specialty coffees are included throughout the day. One thing to note is that while the variety is impressive, some guests mention that the a la carte restaurants can feel rushed during busy periods, and getting reservations at the most popular spots requires planning ahead. The buffet quality remains consistently good, though adventurous eaters might find themselves wishing for more authentic regional Mexican options beyond the standard tourist fare. Overall, the dining situation at Barcelo Maya Caribe offers enough variety to keep you satisfied throughout a week-long stay, and the ability to explore restaurants at sister properties means you're unlikely to get bored with your options. The pool and beach facilities at Barcelo Maya Caribe are genuinely impressive and often cited as one of the resort's strongest features. The complex boasts 5 distinct pools spread across the property, each serving different purposes and guest preferences. The main family pool is an absolute monster at 1,500 square meters, making it one of the largest resort pools in the Riviera Maya. Depths range from 1 meter to 1.8 meters, so even younger swimmers can enjoy parts of it safely while adults can actually swim laps if they're so inclined. This pool features a swim-up bar that's constantly busy with guests ordering tropical drinks without leaving the water, and the water slides provide endless entertainment for kids and adventurous adults alike. Poolside waiters circulate regularly, taking food and drink orders so you never have to leave your lounge chair if you don't want to. The adults-only infinity pool offers a more tranquil experience at 800 square meters with a consistent depth of 1.2 meters. This is where couples and those seeking peace migrate, especially during school holiday periods when the family pool gets particularly lively. The Infinity Edge creates stunning photo opportunities with the Caribbean Sea as your backdrop. For the youngest guests, a dedicated kids splash pool features shallow water, small slides, and water features designed specifically for toddlers and young children. 2 additional quiet pools round out the options, providing alternative spaces when the main pools feel crowded. All pools operate from 7 in the morning until 11 at night year-round, with towel service included. You'll find plenty of loungers around each pool, though arriving early to claim prime spots is advisable during peak season. Umbrellas and palapas provide shade, and the recent renovations upgraded the pool deck areas with better furniture and improved landscaping. Now let's talk about that beach because it's truly spectacular. Barcelo Maya Caribe sits on 2 kilometers of pristine white sand Caribbean coastline that looks like something from a postcard. The sand is powdery soft, perfect for barefoot walks, and the water is that impossible shade of turquoise that barely seems real. The beach slopes gently into calm, clear water that's ideal for swimming, snorkeling, and just floating around. Beach waiters patrol the sand, bringing drinks and snacks directly to your lounger, so you can spend entire days without leaving the shore. The resort provides complimentary kayaks, snorkeling gear, and paddleboards for guests who want to explore the waters. The snorkeling right off the beach reveals colorful fish and occasionally sea turtles, though serious snorkelers might want to book excursions to the nearby reefs for more dramatic underwater scenery. Catamaran rides are available for an additional fee, taking groups out for sunset cruises that include music and drinks. The beach never feels overcrowded thanks to that 2-kilometer stretch, and you can always find a quiet spot if you walk a bit away from the main activity areas. Beach volleyball courts set up in the sand host regular games, and the resort organizes beach activities throughout the day. The water stays warm year-round, typically ranging from 78 to 84 degrees Fahrenheit depending on the season. One thing to appreciate is that the Barcelo Maya complex employs staff to rake and clean the beach daily, removing seaweed and debris to maintain that picture-perfect appearance. The Riviera Maya can experience seaweed seasons, typically in summer months, but the resort actively manages this. Palapas line the beach providing natural shade, and the combination of pool and beach options means you can easily split your days between both. Whether you're a pool person or a beach person or someone who can't decide, Barcelo Maya Caribe delivers on both fronts with facilities that consistently earn high marks from guests. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.